Guys, in this video, we will be learning NumPy array indexing in. I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. So we'll be covering these points in this tutorial. But before getting started with anything, you have to install NumPy on your computer. If you want to install NumPy on your computer, you have to either go to your terminal from here and you have to type in one command to see whether NumPy library is installed. Pip list. So this will give you the list of all library installed on this computer. You can search your desired library and you can use it. If NumPy is not there, then you can type in command pip install NumPy. Okay, it will always take the latest version if you do not specify any version number here, right? Let me close it down. Either you can do it from the terminal or you can install NumPy from the command prompt on your physical location of the project, right? Now let's get started with the tutorial. What is array indexing? Array indexing is the same as accessing an array element. You can access an array element by referring to its index number. So the indexes in NumPy arrays start with 0, okay, meaning that the first element has index 0 and the second has index 1. That way it goes. Okay, so first we have to create an array with help of NumPy library. We have to import it and then we will be accessing all type of array. One dimensional, two dimensional, third dimensional will be accessing those array. Okay, let me import first NumPy. We are taking alias like np. If we creating array 1D, can define any element inside the array. Okay, so it will return you the ndarray object, right? Just see what type of array it is returning. Let's run the program. So you will see, so that is returning ndarray and we have this array list. Okay, if we want to access its any element, we can do it easily. Print array 1D. We can locate our element with index 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? If we want to get the element which is positioned at first, so you will get 2 is the output. Okay, because index always start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, right? If you want to see what is the dimension of this array, you can also get this one. Array d dot ndim is the attribute. It will give you which type of dimension. It is one dimensional array. Okay, so we have seen how we can access one dimensional array with index. Okay, if you type any other index which is not there in the array, so it will give you the error. Okay, because you did not find any indexed element, right? On 10th position we do not have anything, so it raises error. Okay, keep in mind you have to make sure whether which element you are locating, it should be there in the array. Okay, let's see how we can access two-dimensional array. Let me create one two-dimensional array quickly. Okay, so let me print all the things: the type of array, the array elements and the array dimensions. Okay, I have changed the variable name. Let me run the program. You will see this is a two-dimensional array. It is type of ND array and it is two-dimensional array, right? Okay, if you want to access any of the element of this two-dimensional array, you can easily do it the same way. Okay, so you can do from 0 row, we have to locate column 3. Okay, so you will get the output 0, 3 is 4, right? It means this is the 0 index. Okay, and the location is 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is 4 is outcome. Okay, if you want to get a single element, so you can also get like this. Okay, so you are getting 5, 6, 7, 8, 0 and 1 index. Okay, in this two-dimensional array. One more thing, in one-dimensional array, if you want to use arrange function, you can also do. Okay, instead of array, you can use 1d1. instead of array, okay, you can say give me the element, full element till 10, okay, and the type also you can print it, and you will get full elements from this one, okay. You are getting these elements 0 to 9, you are getting same way. So let me take 3, so 0 1 2 and 3, 3, right? You see the output is 3, okay. If you want to change the shape of this array also, you can change it. How? Okay, change its shape. Let's say 2 and 5, you want to change its shape, then your output would be different, right? Okay, 3 is out of bound. Now let me make 1, so it will give you the output. You see it got created in 2 into 5 row. You see, this is one thing, okay. You see 2 into 5 shape we have given to this array. Let me put a separator. Let me print it again, okay. So you see, so this is a type which we printed here, okay. We created first this, and then we convert it into shape, then we got the array, and then we got the indexing of the second row, right? This is the second row, 0 and 1, okay. The index is 0 and 1, and this is the element, okay. Okay, you can also do like 4. So what would be the output? Then you will get 9, okay, because we are saying from first row, okay, from first row, okay, we have fourth element 0 1 2 3 and fourth, so 9 is the output. You can do this way also, okay. Now let's see access three-dimensional array. Let's create three-dimensional array. Control C, Control V, okay. Let's print it, okay. So first you will print what is the output, what is the type, and what is the dimension of it, right? So let's run it. So we are getting this three-dimensional array is the output which we created, and this is a type of array which we are returning from here, and it's a three dimension, right? If you want to access any of the element from three-dimensional array, so it is same as 2D array, right? So say, and then let me take 0 element and then second element, okay. You run it, so you will get 3, okay. 0 in the first dimensional, the second dimensional also 0, okay, and the final three dimensional we got 2, 0 1 2 3, okay. If you say this is the one, and then you will print it, so it will get 7, okay, because here we are saying 0, okay. In the second one, this is a first row, this one, and then second is the 0 1 2 the element, okay. If you make it 3, so it will print 8. See, it will print 8, right? So this is how we access three-dimensional array. You can easily locate your element into the matrix, okay. Let's see what is negative indexing, right? As we have one-dimensional array here, if we want to get the element from the last, so we can use a negative value to access the element. If I say, right, -1, so you will get the different output, right? Here you will get different output. So you are saying 4, okay, because I am saying from last position give me -1 element, so -1, okay. Let me take -2, so it will give you the different output, right? 3, -1, -2, -3, -4, okay. You say -4, so you will get 1. So this is, see, this is 1. This is negative indexing, okay. If you put -5, so it will give you the error, right? Because indexing is not there in the array, right? It is not correct. Okay, so this is negative indexing. You can use the same thing into two-dimensional array. If you want to locate, as you see here, okay, what is the output? The output is 4, right? So 1, this is the row. Okay, so this is the row we are printing here. Okay, if we want to navigate from this and we want to say -2, what would be the outcome? It would be 7. Okay, so let's copy, right? So here the output would be differ, right? You see, would be 7, right? You see -2 because 1 -1 -2 element 0 and first element. Okay, and then from first element we said -2 location, so that is 7. Okay, if we conclude how we can indexing array, right? These are ND arrays and we can access one dimensional array, two dimensional array, three dimensional array. We can apply negative indexing. That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.